The beast's fangs are inches away, but I refuse to die here. The agonizing pain tears at my nerves, but it also makes one thing crystal clear. From the very beginning, the only person I can rely on is myself. Thanks to her screaming, Thorn finally snaps out of it, taking it down with a few lethal strikes.
Your Highness, are you alright?
Looking at his face just feels incredibly ironic. With my last ounce of strength, I swat his hand away in disgust. He just looks at me, totally confused. Thorn has no idea. I used to revolve my whole world around him. But now, my heart is completely dead. I give him one last cold glare before my strength gives out entirely. And everything fades to black. When I wake up, before I can even catch my breath, that nauseating sobbing fills my ears again.
Sister, I'm so sorry. It's all my fault. I shouldn't have knocked your sword away. But Thorn, you're my sister's personal guard. Why did you instinctively protect me when things got dangerous? My sister got hurt so badly because of me, she's definitely gonna hate me even more.
Your Highness, it all happened so fast. Princess Lyra was closer, so my instincts kicked in to protect her first. Besides, aren't you partly to blame? If you hadn't scared Lyra during the duel, her sword wouldn't have snapped the monster's chains.
Instincts, right? You can't fake your gut reaction in a life or death moment. I furiously tell them to get lost, but I accidentally knock over the candlestick. She yelps, looking even more victimized.
Sylvia! Are you crazy?
A tiny spark hits Lyra's dress.
Your Highness!
Thorn finally realizes I am leaving, but it is all too late. Let's never see each other again.